Street CCTV footage caught you. New York police fined the Sussexes for purposely not wearing seatbelts and putting the pedestrians at risk. Prince Harry, his wife Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, and her mother, Doria, were involved in a near-catastrophic car chase whilst being followed by paparazzi on Tuesday night in New York City, a spokesperson has claimed. Last night, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex and Ragland were involved in a near-catastrophic car chase at the hands of a ring of highly aggressive paparazzi, a statement said. However, the New York City Police Department, NYPD, said in a statement that as the incident occurred, it had assisted the private security team protecting Meghan and Harry. They arrived at their destination and there were no reported collisions, summonses, injuries, or arrests in regard, a department spokesperson said. A source from the insider reveals that the Sussexes were fined $150 because they deliberately weren't wearing seatbelts in the taxi, despite repeated warnings from the driver. According to the law in New York State, for unrestrained passengers older than 16, drivers or any passengers who fail to buckle up and over the age of 16 can receive fines of over $50 and may have penalty points added to their license. Meghan, Harry, Doria, none of the three were wearing seatbelts in the cab. It's ironic though, given that they said in the Cut interview that Archie is always telling people to wear seatbelts. Anyone getting into a car chances dying of a car accident, famous, infamous or regular people. The likelihood of death from a car accident substantially decreases if you wear a seatbelt. In addition, Meghan may also be fined for disturbing public order when calling the paparazzi. She should be held accountable as she put the lives of pedestrians, taxi drivers, security guards and policemen at risk. Dragging the NYPD into this, claiming the police at numerous police stations did nothing. These two are now completely in massive amounts of trouble. Not only will there now have to be a major internal police investigation about claimed failure of several police stations to assist, but this is not going to go away. The Sussexes will have to give testimony, the taxi driver will have to testify, the bodyguard as well as every citizen involved in claimed crashes, plus witnesses will have to be produced, pedestrians and other drivers in the area of this 2-hour-long chase, and CCTV footage must be produced. I believe the Sussexes' reputation and popularity will soon be buried. They're done this time. It's over. NYPD said they were being followed, not chased. You can't break laws and endanger the public because you don't want your picture taken. I would find it hard to believe that there was a 2-hour high-speed chase, New York City Mayor Eric Adams said after the report surfaced, adding that the exact duration isn't quite clear. In New York, they could much more easily and more believably stage this in California, but they can't since they live there and don't want the California Highway Patrol questioning them. And they know it'll only make their neighbours annoyed at them for staging dangerous car stunts. For these two to think that New York City was the best backdrop for staging a car pursuit, the American retired NYPD detective said their story is the most ridiculous sounding thing, and insists that the police will be able to investigate the incident due to the vast number of street cameras in New York City. Dietil said, "I think this is rubbish. This to me is the most ridiculous sounding thing in the world, and I've been in the security business and retired from the police department for 38 years.